Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of the Explain series. Today we're going to be talking about penis size. I've been wondering whether to do this type of episode or not because it does come up in clinic on a few occasions, but I dare say one of the most popular videos I've had since doing YouTube has all been about penis size, so I thought, well, let's just talk about it, and if you want more about penis sizes, then I'm happy to do more videos if you want. The average penis size, of all things being average, is around about 5 inches. And so if you're watching this and you're worried about your penis and you probably think, oh God, is it big enough? Do I need a bigger penis? Do I have micro penis? The chances are no. Your penis is probably completely normal, and you do not have micropenis. Micropenis is usually diagnosed at birth, when the genitalia is very, very small. Now, usually an erect penis to be considered a micropenis in an adult is usually below 3.6 inches. And so I would not be concerned at all if you're thinking, is my penis too small? And I think it's more something of a psychological concern individuals tend to have about the size of their penises. Men always want a couple of extra inches or centimeters on their penis when they're younger, not realizing that actually having an average sized penis is without a doubt the best way to go. I have seen a few patients with very, very large penises, and I've seen a few women whose boyfriends have very, very large penises, and to be honest with you, it's not great. I do have quite a few women who come to me to say that they are sore, painful, they get vaginal tears, and they're not in a happy place. After all, if you're making love to someone and you're having sex with someone, why do you want to cause them pain? And so having a very, very large penis is not a great thing. I've also known patients that one individual was very, very big. He would get an erection and it would get lightheaded, and so he couldn't necessarily do what that individual wanted to do. I've also heard many stories with very large guys. They go out with a girl and yes, they've got a very, very large penis, but they get turned down. The girls do not want to have sex with someone with something like a fence post sticking out of their groin. And so don't be too concerned that if you think your penis is not big enough. You have to remember the female vagina comes in different shapes and sizes as well, just as the penis does. Comes in different lengths and widths, and the nerve endings of the vagina is only the first 2 inches of the vaginal entrance. That is where all the main stimulation of the vagina happens. And so if your penis is bigger than 2 inches, technically you should be fine. The biggest thing that dictates whether someone is a good lover or not is not actually the size of their penis, it's what you can do with it. And the biggest marker of what makes an individual a good lover is experience, or to put it another way, practice. And so if you're not sure whether you're a good lover or not, and you want to make sure or be an experienced, kind, considerate lover, then obviously the more experience you have, the better you'll be. And the best way to find out is to talk to your partner. So I wouldn't be too concerned about your penis size. And if you're watching this, you're probably completely normal. If you want me to do a video on the 4 or 5 biggest myths about penis size, then just comment below and I'll be happy to think about doing that one. Feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next episode. Take care.